Hello everyone, I welcome you all to Geeky Script. Today I am going to show you how to install latest version of PyCharm, that is PyCharm version 2025.2 Unified Edition on your Windows operating system. And after that, I'm also going to show you how to use this latest PyCharm Unified Edition for Python programming. Now before installing PyCharm, I'll recommend you please first install Python. So for that you can refer to this video. So here I have showed you how to install latest version of Python. So please do install Python first before installing PyCharm. Once you have Python installed, let's start with installing PyCharm. So first you need to go to your favorite browser and to type over here PyCharm download, hit enter. So that will show you this JetBrains.com. So just go to their official site. So this link I'm going to provide right in your channel description. Once when you are here, you will see that our PyCharm is available for Windows, macOS and Linux. So depending upon what operating system you are using, to switch to that, I'm going to switch to Windows because I'm going to download it for Windows. Next thing that you will see is this PyCharm Unified product, and the version is 2025.2. So now they have integrated it into a single product, both unlimited and a community edition. So now we can have a single product of Unified and you can use their community features as well. So everything I'm going to show you on this video, you don't need to worry, you don't need to pay, alright. So you can use their community features as well using their Unified product. So everything I'm going to show you, just keep watching this video. So click on this download button of this Unified product and it's going to immediately start downloading our PyCharm. So I have already downloaded it, so that's why I'm going to cancel this. I'll minimize my browser, I'll go to my download directory, and here you can see that my PyCharm is already been downloaded over here. Just double click on that installer and you can also see the file size as well, that is 979 MB. So that's going to ask you for administrative privileges. Click on yes. Let's minimize our download directory and there you go. So welcome to PyCharm setup. Click on next. So this is where our PyCharm is going to be installed, and you need to have this much amount of free space on your C drive. Just verify that once and click on next after that. And here under installation options, you need to select all these different options. This is the most important one, that is you need to add this bin folder to path. So don't forget to check that. So always check that and click on next. So it's going to create a JetBrains folder, which is totally fine. Click on install. That's going to immediately start installing our PyCharm. So by the time it gets installed, since we are talking about Python, I'll recommend you to follow the School Python project playlist. So all these videos are completely free and detailed source code are also available on our official geekyscript.com website. So for example, this project that I have created, this rock paper scissors game, so you can follow this detailed lecture and detailed source code are also available over here. So first we have a CMD code and then we have detailed full GUI code. So you can literally copy and paste this code to your own system and you can just follow this lecture from this tutorial and you can create your very own this rock paper scissors game. So you can add all this project to your resume. That's going to only help you to land to your dream job. So you can check out all these different tutorials that I have created. I'm sure you're going to love them. Alright, so don't forget to check the School Python project playlist. Here let's wait for a couple of minutes. So welcome back. So now you can clearly see that our PyCharm is rightly installed. Our desktop shortcut also created over here. So let's just simply select this run PyCharm and click on finish. So that's going to launch our PyCharm, and our PyCharm is rightly started launching, and there you go. Welcome to PyCharm. So here let's see how we can easily create a new project. So for that you need to click on this plus new project and here you need to provide your project name. So let's give the project name as hello everyone, and you need to select this create a welcome script, and this is what I was talking about at the very beginning of the video. So you need to have Python installed on your system. Since Python is already installed on my system, so that's why you can see this path is rightly recognized over here. So that's why I told you at the very beginning of the video to install Python. So you need to keep everything as a default now and click on create. So that's going to immediately start creating our PyCharm project. So you can maximize this. So you can always read this article of what's new in PyCharm. So you can always read this article, and here they have already opened this main.py file, and this is our project. Hello everyone. So if you click on this show all, it's going to show you all the processes that are running behind the scene. So let's wait for some time so that our project get open fully. So welcome back. So now you can see that our project is properly opened. So nothing is running now, all of our processes are rightly done, and you can see this button called Unlock Pro. So now that we are using PyCharm Unified Edition, so it has both Pro features and community features as well. So if you want to try and test their Pro features, so that also you can do. You need to just simply click on this Unlock Pro, and it's going to show you this trial. So here you can just simply click on Activate PyCharm Pro. So you need to go to search and just simply type manage. So that will show you this manage subscription. So click on that. So here you can always create a new account by clicking on this login to JetBrains. So you can register basically if you don't have any account, and you can register from here. So you can click on close. So you can see now we are into our free trial. So it is loading some of the plugins so that you can use their Pro features as well. But remember, this is only a free trial, that is what you are using, and that free trial is going to last for only 30 days. So when you click on this trial again, it's going to load you this screen, and it says only 29 out of 30 days are left. So already started counting, so 29 days still left, and I can use for next 29 days their Pro features, and after that to use their Pro features you need to purchase it. Or if you want to just simply use their Pro features for 30 days and then you want to unsubscribe, so for that you need to go to this magnify icon again and type manage. That will show you this manage subscription. Open that, and from here you can just simply click on this deactivate subscription. So when you click on that, it's going to show you this deactivate and restart. Just do that. So it's going to close the previous instance of PyCharm and going to restart it again, and you can see now we are no longer using their Pro features. So it is showing start free trial. So you can again opt for free trial, just how I showed you. Alright, so now let's see how to run this project. So they have already given a sample code over here. So when you click on this run button, it's going to immediately start building our project, and once when it gets builded, it's going to show the output on your console. Right, so in this way you can easily install latest version of PyCharm on a Windows operating system. It is really very important to install PyCharm, especially if you want to do projects on Python. So all of these videos I have showed you on PyCharm itself, and in PyCharm it really helps to code. So their auto completion features and several other features are really helpful. So when you watch all these videos, you'll be able to learn why I love using PyCharm. So do check out all these different videos, and detailed source code, as I have told you, are also available on our official geeky.com website. So yeah, so that's pretty much all about this video. Thank you very much for watching this video, and God bless you all.